How do I replace my headlight bulb? Firstly, we open the hood of the car. Find the location of the headlight assembly. Rotate to remove the bulb. The model of this bulb is 9005. Take out the light sway bar. Rotate to remove the bulb. Take out the key to line this card slot and insert. Place the bulb on the base of the headlight to rotate. Take out our bulbs. Line the position of the card slot. Just plug it in and plug it out and to the end to rotate the headlight. Note that the plug of the car light must be vertically downward. Then plug in our car plug. All done.